Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome, and thank you so much for being here. You guys, today we're having a 1,000 subscribers giveaway. I cannot believe it. Thank you so much for being here for me, for following me, for subscribing, for liking, for commenting, and for being such a big support. You guys, without you, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't even want to do this. You are amazing to me, amazing to my family. I'm just so grateful. I love you so much. So today we're doing five items I'm giving away. Before we get into what kind of items I'm giving away, I would like to go through the rules. First, you need to be subscribed, you guys. Obviously, like this video and comment below. Please try to comment if you like more than one item. I would like for you to guys tell me if you like 2 or 3 items or whatever. So when this random picker picks a person, I would like to see when you guys, I would like for everyone to be happy. So when you pick 3 items, I would like to, make sure that you guys get something that you like. This is open for everyone. Also, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at MommyBoVision. I will announce the winners over there. I'll also announce on my YouTube channel as well. But I would like you guys to follow me there because I'm going to do quite a few mini giveaways on Instagram as well. Let's get into it, you guys. Like I said, I have 5 items for you today. The first item that I have for you today is this bed set right here. So this one says 220 by 240. Now, for those of you that shop on Wish, y'all know that their sizes run wild. So sometimes king runs queen, sometimes queen runs king. It's just crazy. Anyways, this comes with 2 pillowcases and a duvet cover. I'm going to open this up. I'm gonna look at one of their pillowcase, and I'll know immediately if this is a queen or a king. And I can already tell that this is a queen because I have a king. I change it weekly, so I know exactly how big those pillowcases are, and this one looks like a queen to me. Okay guys, so I came in here to show you how this fits my king bed. When I checked the purchase history of this, when I bought it, it says king, but look, it does not fit. This is my king bed. I couldn't even put it in the king duvet that I have, so it's kind of short, as you can see on the sides. It doesn't even go. Yeah, the pillow, I only put a pillowcase on one pillow. This is a standard pillow. This is not a king pillow, and you see how it fits perfectly. This pillowcase will not fit a king pillow, just so you know. If you guys still want to get it for a king bed, I mean, go ahead if you like how it fits like this, but those pillowcases will not go on a king pillow. So we'll go this, just like I said, being a queen. Sorry you guys, my lights are not so bright here. I hope you can see it, but I think it's really gorgeous, isn't it? It is pretty. Let's do it from here so you guys can see. I really love this bed set, actually. So once again, this is a duvet cover, and it comes with 2 pillowcases. Okay, this is the first item. You guys, I hope you like it. The next item I picked is also a bed set, and this one comes with 2 pillowcases, and I'm gonna put a picture on the left or on the right for you guys to see. I don't know, it looks kind of like a bed skirt, but it's not a bed skirt. It's like a fitted sheet, but comes with it kind of folds like a bed skirt as well. It's really interesting. It's really beautiful. I myself love this so much. You guys know how much I like pink. So I'm going to show you first the pillowcase. Again, let me see if this is a queen or, oh, this is, let's see. I don't see the sizes, but this looks like a queen to me, and it looks like this, and it is extremely gorgeous. Look at this, you guys. Very floral, very kind of springy, but I mean, it's really, really gorgeous. Okay, guys, I figure out my lights. I actually never turn on those bright ones, so I just realized I had them. So hope now you see that. Hope now you can see better, guys. This one here, where I just told you is a queen. This is a king, but I was still right because I looked at the pillowcase and I immediately said this is queen, because guess what? It does fit the king bed, and it's really pretty. Like, this one will fall down on your bed. Like, it has no way to fall down because we have this, what do you call this, side piece over here. But look, the pillowcase fits only a queen, like a standard pillow. This will not fit a king pillow. What is wrong with their sizes, and how can they be so off? So once again, for those of you that want this, please keep in mind that the bed skirt itself will fit a king, because this is my king bed, but the pillowcase will fit the queen pillow. I'm so sorry, you guys are gonna have to get like 2 standard pillowcases. It's still pretty. I only put 1. It's still gonna be pretty, you know. It's just that, just so you know, the pillowcases will not fit a king pillow. So, but you guys, this is really pretty. I think I have to. If I do, I'll keep one for myself because it is truly so beautiful. But unfortunately, I guess I'll have to, yeah, I can just stick it under like this. Ooh, and it'll still be pretty. And one last thing, you guys, every item that I'm giving today are brand new. Obviously, everything is brand new. I did take them out. I'll carefully put them back. They might not be perfectly placed back like it was when I bought them, but I'll try. I'll try to go by this creases and whatnot and really put it back. But, you know, just so you know, you guys, it was taken out just to make sure that you guys are receiving the right, you know, measurements and whatnot. Oh, you guys, I hope you like it, whoever gets it. And enjoy it. The third item I picked for you guys is this purse. Now, this purse looks alike like one of the purses that I gave away before, but it's not. It is different. It is very gorgeous, but it's different. And it looks like this. You guys have to put it together, but you know how you already understand how this purse looks. Isn't this cute? It has a pocket here. It has pockets on the side. It has pocket here. It has here. Then it has this division in the middle. It is pretty spacious. It is really, really cute. And it comes with all these gadgets or whatever. That is the third item I picked for you guys. Now, the fourth item I picked is another purse. This is a tan color, and it's actually really gorgeous. You guys, I picked the items that I liked myself for you. So I hope you guys like it. It looks like this. I think it's really cute. And last but not least, you guys, I picked for you this king striped sheet set. It's a 4-piece set. I'm not gonna open it because it's so nice to put together. I don't want to open it because it's brand new, but you guys can see that it's striped. It's really cute. It's this baby blue color. It's machine washable, ultra soft, hypoallergenic, and it comes with one fitted sheet, 78 inch by 80 by 14, one flat sheet, 102 inch by 105 inch, and 2 pillowcases, 20 inch by 40 inch each. So this is the 5th giveaway, you guys. Now, I hope you guys like these items. If you do, please comment below which one you like, and please comment if you like more than one, because it will really help me when when the random picker chooses someone. You know, I want everyone to be happy. So if you comment more than one, you know what I'm saying. Another thing, I know if you guys have watched my last limited quantity deal haul, my wish limited quantity deal haul, I had mentioned there that I'm giving away that burnt orange purse, which is extremely gorgeous. I'm still giving it away. I just didn't find it because with the move and everything, I don't remember where I put that purse, but I know I'll find it, and I know I'll give it away to you guys. There's so much more giveaways coming up. Like I said, I'll do giveaways here on YouTube. I'll do giveaways on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram at MommyBoVision, you guys, because I'll just try to do giveaways, like as many as I possibly can. You guys, once again, I want to thank you all for your support. I want to tell you that I love each and one of you so much, and I'm so grateful and I'm so blessed to have such amazing subscribers. I love you guys. I hope you like this, and good luck to everyone. Now I'm gone.